how to set and remove AirPlay password on MacBook Air. And okay guys, sir, in your MacBook Air, go to System Settings. Okay, you can see below. Here in System Settings, on left side, go to General. In General, go to AirDrop and Handoff, and you can see here below the required password. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. To set the password, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side of this required password. And the pop-up are show. So AirDrop and Handoff. AirDrop and Handoff is trying to modify your system settings. Touch ID or enter your password to allow this. So okay, to set the password, okay, you'll have to do is click the use password. Before you create a password, enter your MacBook password. And after you enter the password, click modify settings. The pop-up are show again. And now you can create or enter a new AirPlay password. And for my example, I create a password. And after you create a new AirPlay password, click OK button. And if you want to remove the AirPlay password, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set and removed AirPlay password on MacBook Air.